The GANGER CNC 5-axis Stone Processing Line GQ-3220DL features a fully automated workflow. The machine enables cutting simulation by importing DXF files. It is equipped with an automatic loading device for slabs. Subsequently, the conveyor belt precisely transports the slab to the preset processing area. The cutting head executes cutting according to preset patterns, capable of achieving various processing effects including circular cutting, sector cutting, L-shaped countertops, sink cutouts and 45 degrees chamfering. Meanwhile, the system simultaneously prepares the next slab for loading. After the first slab is processed, the second one automatically moves into position on the work table and seamlessly continues the processing, ensuring continuous and efficient production.